Okay, here's the Unit 3 exercises, starting with exercise 5-1. Here's the code, the if statements for the R customer type. The C customer type, and the T customer type. And all I did to make it be case insensitive was to add the option compare text at top. Now, here's the select case statements for each of the customer types. And now we are running the program, so I'm going to input lowercase r and subtotal to calculate. So we also work with a capital R. T. C. We'll do greater than 500. That's it. Now here's exercise 5-2, the future value form. See here, it's future value, form, future value, and name. The accept button is the calculate. Cancel button is exit. And start position, center screen. We have 4 labels: monthly investment, the text monthly investment, and it's aligned. So your yearly interest rate, the number of years, and the future value. You have 4 text boxes as well: monthly investment, yearly interest rate, the number of years. Here are the corresponding names of the text box. Read only for your future value. And here are your tab stocks and tab indexes. We've got our calculate event handler, and our exit event handler. Then right here we had our for loop, just commented out and added our do loop. So let's see what happens when we run the program. Okay, now we're running the program. 2000, 1, there's a calculation, and exit. Okay, now let's take a look at exercise 6-1. And here is your get discount percent. And your clear all boxes. Event handler, and let's take a look what happens when we run it. Now we're running the program, and if we change the value in either of these boxes, it should clear all the other boxes. So let's see. Okay, that worked. And let's change this. And as you can see, that worked also. Now here's exercise 6-2. We'll start off with the commenting out of the return. Is right there. And you have the event handlers. Clear all boxes on the double click. And the future value text box is mouse hover. And then the yearly interest rate, double click event right here. Let's see what happens when we run it. Okay, we're going to add some values in here. Calculate. And we're going to hover over the future value text box. And then we're going to double click into the yearly interest rate text box. There we go. And finally, we have our project 6-1. And let's take a look at the sub. There we go, the sub right here clears the area and perimeter text boxes. You can see here text change. So let's see what happens when we run the program. Okay, now we're running the program. I'm going to put some of that in here. Calculate. Okay, now it should clear the area and perimeter text boxes if I change the length. It does. And also do the same when I change the width. And it does.